We want to differentiate y is equal to e to the 2x divided by sine 3x. We should recognize this as a quotient. We would have u equal to e to the 2x and v equal to sine 3x. du dx then, we need to use the chain rule. If we differentiate e to the x, we get e to the x. So differentiating e to the 2x, the outside function gives us e to the 2x, and we multiply by the differential of the inside function. So we have 2e to the 2x. For dv dx, again using the chain rule, the outside function is the sine, differentiate to get the cos, and then multiply by the differential of the inside function. So we get 3 cos 3x. So using the quotient formula, dy dx is v times du dx, so we get 2 e to the 2x sine 3x, take away u times dv dx, so that's 3 e to the 2x cos 3x, all divided by v squared, so that's sine squared 3x. So we have finished differentiating, but we could tidy slightly by spotting the common factor of e to the 2x, giving us 2 sine 3x, take away 3 cos 3x, all divided by sine squared 3x.